Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Vitalum token. Now before start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Vitalum is a healthcare intelligence platform built on Binance Smart Chain that integrates artificial intelligence and blockchain to support secure medical data management and clinical decision making. The platform is designed to unify fragmented healthcare systems by enabling encrypted, permission data storage, and AI-driven diagnostic insights. Vitalum supports interoperability across imaging, diagnostic, telehealth, and treatment workflow while maintaining transparency and ability through auditability through decentralized infrastructure. The VAM token underpins ecosystem art participation, including access mechanism, staking incentives, and governance alignment within the platform's healthcare network. Vitelum project institution rating is 3.2. Vitalum token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supplies around 337.71 million VAM token. VAM token is listed on Bitmart and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.